our channel.
Today we have like an exciting freaking video because we're going to
Cancun.
So we're oh, before we even get started, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and follow us on Instagram. It'll be right here somewhere.
Yeah.
But yeah, follow us on Instagram. You'll get, well, you would have gotten live updates if you was already following.
Period. But right now we are in Raleigh, North Carolina, and we're going to take our flight from here. It is currently 4:12 in the morning. We just woke up, had an eventful night last night, so I'm just, you know, happy to be alive. And but now we're just getting all packed up and everything, and we're gonna head to the airport. So we actually had to go out to Jalen's car. This is a Prelude. You'll see a lot of her later. But I had to go out to Jalen's car to get my neck pillow and my sneakers for this trip and my sunglasses because, you know, it's gonna be kind of sunny. But we just checked the weather. I probably put the weather like right here. It's gonna be like raining, so I don't know, but we're gonna see. Let's go out to the shuttle. Alright guys, so we're at the airport. Apparently in the bathroom. We got our tickets and everything, and we are about to be gone. Okay?
Yeah, she's scared.
Scared? Yeah, y'all, we're being a little lazy right now and decided to get on
this. It's 5:55 and we have to board at 6:15. So right now we're sitting with Jalen. His
over here.
His whatever, however he gets on the plane, and then I was just like right across, so it's almost time to get on the plane, guys.
Guys, so right now we are now at the airport. Well, we've been here for like 5 hours. So in like 13 or 10 minutes we're going to be boarding our trip to Cancun, and we'll be there the next time you see us, so stay tuned.
So this is just the part that we've just seen, but we just checked into the hotel. We're about to go into our rooms. All right, y'all, so we just got in. Like I said, we just took a shower. We're about to go to Diamond and Jalen's room to, you know, start turning up because that's what we came to do. But I'm gonna show y'all my my outfit. I got it from Shein, so I'm gonna show y'all. It's like a 3-piece bathing suit or whatever. And it's just a cover up, and the cover up like scrunches and stuff, so that's cute or whatever. But we about to just walk around, so that's why I got this on for right now.
We are currently dressed, and this is what I have on. All right, so this is what I have on. I have on this top, got on these bottoms, Yeah.
Bro, she ain't really made.
All right, guys. So right now we're out to eat, and we're about to get lit. We already got our drinks, so we are definitely up there. We're up there today. What? Yeah, y'all. We're out here. We're out here at this beach, sipping on something. You already know, like we out here. We got a free round, as he should. As he should. He did what he was supposed to do. Okay. Alright guys, so now we're heading down here for breakfast. Oh my god. Who's that? Papaya. Ooh, it's like papaya. What's up guys? So it's day 2, Cancun. I have my hair wrapped right now because I'm trying to have it laid by the time I go, but I can't show you guys my bathing suit. I just put it on and everything. We just ate breakfast and everything too. So yeah, we're about to go ahead. Today we're actually going to be doing jet skiing. So after this, I think around like 1 o'clock, maybe another hour or so, we're gonna go meet up with everybody, you know, pre-game and all, and then we're going to go jet skiing. So I'm gonna show you my bathing suit I'm wearing. All right, so this is what I got on right now. It's just a simple bathing suit. I have this little cover up right here. And yeah, so we're about to go. So yeah, definitely stay tuned for this video. Stay tuned, because this is about to be like that. I can't wait to take this off once my hair is flat. Yeah, earlier today we actually did see some like little lizard alligator things. I don't know if it's anymore out right now, but oh no, there's one right there. I'll show you guys. Like, I don't know what that is. It looks like an alligator or like a lizard. Oh, okay. There should be like some more out here. Don't know where, but there was like a lot of them earlier today. Like, oh my god. But Jalen says they're called iguanas or something like that, but they look like lizards to me. So yeah, so I'm probably not gonna put makeup on today because we are going to do jet skiing. So I'll probably just put some lip gloss on. Of course, we're gonna have our mask on and everything. And yeah, it's like a nice view right here though. Stay tuned.
So we had already went, I think last time I talked to you, I was going to breakfast or whatever. We went to this convenience store. We got some more liquor, of course. This is our liquor of choice, Don Julio. So they got, I think we also got Malibu. So the itinerary for our drinks is Don Julio, Malibu, Jack Daniels, and what was the other one?
Crown.
And Crown Royal. So we're sticking to what other than the Malibu is brown. But anyway, we're about to go do jet skis. We just booked those today, and this is my jet ski bathing suit.
Yeah, this is what I'm wearing to swim with y'all. You know, ain't not crazy, not fancy. Oh, she look good. I'm straight.
Period. So yeah, we're waiting for we're about to go to Diamond's room or whatever, and April, and then we're gonna go downstairs probably to get the taxi. Yeah, so our appointment is at 2 for jet skis. What time is it?
12:24.
12:24. So we got an hour to like turn up, whatever. And yeah, we're gonna bring you guys with the turn up. For the turn up, of course, like period. So what are we about to do?
We're about to get in the pool
For a little bit.
and drink.
and drinks up a little bit. We're about to go jet skiing in a few, but we're gonna just get in the pool real quick so we can just chill. We have like, what, 30 minutes before we have to go or leave?
What time is it?
I don't know. What time is it?
It's 1:21.
1:21. So we got like 15 minutes.
Like 10. Shit.
Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna get in the pool now.
All right. Connected to this, so just in case you didn't know, but it's like a little thing that I have on my phone, so I can get in there. About to go jet skiing in a little bit. We're all out here, and we're like that. We're waiting on our shuttle to get here, and then we're gonna go.
Like, do you still get taxis on the spot?
All right, y'all, so I'm recording. So we just got back from the jet skis. Of course, y'all just seen those clips, period. We just got back from there, and it is after 5 o'clock. It's 6:17, so we need to eat because we haven't ate yet. The last time we ate was breakfast, and we're hungry. We're gonna go to a different restaurant today. But it's just casual, so I just have this on. We're gonna get in the pool afterwards, so I just put this one piece on with just the sandals or whatever.
She doing that too. Let me do mine too.
So, oh, it's not my haircut. So yeah, that's what we're about to do now, and we gotta hurry up because I'm hungry. I'm pretty sure everybody else is hungry. We have fun on the jet skis. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Would recommend for everyone. Anyone and everyone, period. So we'll see y'all at the restaurant.
Thank you so much.
So, it's the next day. And I gotta take this wristband off or whatever. So today is May 19th, 2021, of course. And it's 8 o'clock in the morning. And I know you may be wondering, like,
why are you having that freaking bathing suit at 8 o'clock in the morning?
but actually, let me just show y'all my bathing suit. So this is it. It's like white, crossbody, or whatever. The reason why I have on a bathing suit at 8 o'clock in the morning is because we're doing something lit today, period. So I'm not gonna tell y'all what it is right now. I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm excited for today's event. Y'all, I've never done this before. I don't think any of us have ever done this before. But yeah, I'm about to go take pictures now. Bathing suit is from Shein. So Shein, if you see this, sponsor us, period. We're walking to the bus stop now. So we can go to McDonald's. I know it sounds weird, but listen. We're hungry and we can't wear our bathing suits in the breakfast place. All right, we're walking to McDonald's. We got on the bus. It was a little, you know, we were a little confused.
It was only $1, so you
Yeah.
don't miss it.
So, period. We might use that for our transportation from now on. So we paid like $44 for the taxi. And we paid $1.
For the bus.
Yeah, like,
You just gotta walk a little bit, but hey, that's better than paying double, triple, quadruple.
yeah, so push come to shove, if we have to on the way back, we will call the taxi. But not a round trip like we did yesterday. So, yeah. Alright guys, so we are now at the scuba diving. Yeah. We don't know what to expect, but we'll get through it, I guess.
We can't record because it's our first time doing it, so we'll just update you guys after.
Yeah. Alright y'all, we just got to the scuba diving place. Just filled out our waiver or whatever, and we really about to scuba dive. Like, who are we? Like, what are we doing here? At the end of the day, you know, it is what it is. Our tour guide. What was his name? Roberto or something? Alright y'all, so we're late right now. We have to go take our COVID test so we can get back to the United States. But I'm not matching at all, so y'all can't see my fit right now. We're about to go take our COVID test or whatever, eat breakfast, and then figure out if we're able to do ATV riding today. So wish us luck, I guess. What's up? So we are trying to get the ATV right now because we kind of did it a little late, obviously.
What's on a day of?
Yeah, so he's trying to figure out if he can find somewhere for us to go. We didn't eat breakfast, so I guess we just gonna have to skip the lunch. And we'll update y'all when we figure out what exactly we're doing because we don't know.
Y'all know what this means? We went
Question.
scuba diving yesterday. It was question and answer.
Yeah. Yep. We don't got no pictures from that, and that's so sad. But hey, I got a video that shows the scuba gear, so I guess we'll put that here. So I wish you had a picture of that because that's like once in a lifetime.
Oh, we can do it again.
Girl, ain't nobody trying to do that. It was just me, her, and Jalen that went into the water. So it was cool. It was
Out
cool.
of 5 people, 3 people went in the water.
It was cool, and I would do it again, but I would definitely do it again since I got kind of the hang of it. But the hardest part for me was breathing. What about you?
The hard part for me was the ears. Top of
yeah.
the ears. The breathing part was like good once I got smooth with it, like just breathe. But the ears, when we went down.
Yeah, it's just like basically the plane. You know, when you go up, your ears pop. So basically, when you go below water, deep enough, your ears pop. So that was that. But yeah, we'll update y'all. Or if we get the ATV, we'll just show y'all when we get there. Yes.
Amazing.
Yeah.
Okay. So we can't take our phones with us like we thought we could. So we're just gonna
Put our phones down, but we're definitely gonna update you guys after we're all finished and everything. Stay tuned.
yeah. These are the ATVs we're about to ride. So we'll see y'all when we get back.
finished the ATV and the canoes, and now we are getting food. What our food looks like. Probably order some tacos now.
Have you decided?
They give us some soup. It's called lime soup with chicken in it.
Would you like a super salad?
Yeah, hoopy. This is our food.
All right, y'all.
What's up, guys? This is the end of our Cancun trip. So, update on everything. Everything went kind of cool. Ignore how I look right now. Very sleepy. I got some eyelashes. They kind of gone. They coming out. But I had a great time.
Yeah, so we're about to board the plane for the last time in 30 minutes. Well, like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Yeah. So we have another plane when we get to Charlotte, and then we'll be back in Raleigh and closer to home.
Yeah, so this, honestly, the worst part about this whole trip was the layovers. We've been in here, this is not even a layover, but we've been in here for over 6 hours. So we've been here since 9:30 this morning till basically, honestly, we're gonna be here for a total of 8 hours technically, for
Yeah.
we'll leave out on 5. So it's yeah. And then the layovers after that. Like, I really don't want to do a layover in Charlotte. I feel like it's so pointless. Like, just take me back to Raleigh.
Yeah, it's only 1 hour. We got 1 hour layover in Charlotte, but we're almost back to the United States. If you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let us know down below what you want to see next in the comments, and
let us know which favorite. Let us know in the comments as well which activity that we did was your favorite, or did you want to try? So I'm kind of curious.
yeah.
And yeah.
And if you would like a video about like how we did this trip, because technically we were the ones who planned it.
Definitely with
So
we can do a whole story time,
Yeah.
breakdown, receipts.
If you want to know passport stuff, how we booked the trip, all that, just leave it down in the comments and we'll get back to y'all.
Yep. So yeah, I'm Diamond.
And I'm Stazzi, and thanks for watching.